This is what $320 gets you in the tourist center of northern Nha Trang. Let's have a look. So I just moved here and it's messy because we haven't actually moved in. And if you know anything about living in Vietnam is no matter what you do, if they say it's clean, it never is. So we're spending a long time cleaning it. But I'll give you a look at what the place actually looks like. So you've got a couch. Got kind of like a shoe cabinet. And we got this nice Samsung vacuum, which is great because sometimes in these sorts of places you just get the little broomstick. So got a nice Samsung TV. And we have this awesome, I was testing this fan before, have this massive fan from, I believe it's from Thailand. And it is incredible. And going into the kitchen, nice modern kitchen. It's a nice new fridge as well. A beautiful fridge. And obviously everything that you'd expect. Gas isn't a very common thing here, so it is always electric stovetops. And as you can see, we've been cleaning the exhaust filters, I guess you could call them. Been soaking multiple times. I'll show you the view. The view is awesome. The view is actually really good. But before that, I'll show you what the bathroom looks like. So this is the bathroom. I just moved from my last place, which was quite a bit cheaper than here. But this place is really nice. So you got your second bedroom. And yes, there are air conditioning units. I'm just not showing them. Here you go. And I've just put a chair there. It's one of the Vietnamese chairs that they left over until I know what to do with it. And going into the main bedroom, we got another bathroom. So it's 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. And this is the main bedroom with a beautiful view. And you can just get an idea of the view here. It's a bit overexposed, but we'll look at it at the balcony. That'll be a bit better. So it was funny, I was on YouTube and I was looking at people looking at apartments in Da Nang. And if you're unaware, Da Nang is basically the old hidden gem of Vietnam, which it no longer is. And people are looking at studios and stuff for like 8-9 million, which is the same price as here. And you get a little box with nothing in it. So this is my balcony view. So if you look in the center here, just let me zoom in for you. That is the center where those buildings are in the background. That is the center of Nha Trang. And we got beautiful mountains here. And one of my favorite parts. So there's this building, the Napoleon building. Arya, if you're watching, I miss you. And see, you got the islands in the background. And then you have the beach just here. So we are probably, say, 30 seconds walk from the beach. So fantastic. And the beach is always calm, love snorkeling. But that is pretty much what this place looks like. So, for about $320, I actually think it's a little bit less. It's really hard to get a better deal. And I'm actually going to make a video on this. Is a lot of people are leaving Da Nang and they are coming here. And for good reason. This has been such a hidden gem for the English-speaking community for so long that it's about time people wake up. I'm going downstairs and hearing English a lot more, and if you're unaware of what this place actually looks like, then I have a whole video on this neighborhood that I'm living in right now. It's not the normal Nha Trang that you think of. It is called Northern Nha Trang. We basically, everyone that lives here, we think of it as a separate city, because it essentially is, but it's only 3 to 5 minutes away by bike to the center. So if you want to see that, click on this video right here.